Want to start your own business in 2025 but don't have experience? Here are 5 powerful AI business ideas you can launch today to build real income. Number 1, AI content agency. Use tools like ChatGPT and Jasper to create blog posts, social media content, and website copy for businesses. You can handle multiple clients easily with AI, scaling your agency income fast. Number 2, Faceless YouTube channel. Combine ChatGPT for script writing, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Pictory for video editing to build a YouTube automation channel that earns ad revenue, affiliate income, and digital product sales. Number 3, AI digital products shop. Use Canva AI and design tools to create templates, planners, and workbooks. Sell them on Etsy or your own website for passive income. Number 4, AI course creation. Use ChatGPT to outline and script courses, Pictory to create video lessons, and host them on platforms like Teachable or Udemy for recurring sales. Number 5, AI automation consulting. Businesses want to save time with AI chatbots, automations, and workflows. Learn tools like ManyChat and ChatGPT plugins, then offer setup services to small businesses. These AI business ideas can help you build real income in 2025 without needing experience. Which one would you launch first? Comment